I love doing these phone mount reviews, and this time we got one from Lamicall. They sent this to me to see how I like it and what my thoughts are on it. So in the box, we get the ring to attach to your case of your phone, the guide to do that with, obviously the instruction manual. You're going to get a set of wipes. One is wet, one is dry. The ring itself where the phone will attach, and then the actual mounting piece. Now there's one thing I noticed about this mounting piece. I've seen a lot of these that go on the corner of the Tesla Model 3s and Ys, and usually there's a screw here that just screws it in and tightens it up. I never was a fan of those because I didn't want to put too much pressure on that because I didn't want to break it, obviously. But this is different. This is a spring-loaded mount. So I guess you're going to sit it on the corner, push this in, hold it there, and then lock it in place. Now the way this goes together is pretty simple. You're going to unscrew this port right here. You're going to take this, slide it over the ball, pop the ball on till you hear that snap, and then just tighten this up. So now to put this on, I'm telling you, I'm really impressed with this, the way this works. And if you see here, there's little suction cups right here. So you just unhook that like that, take this, squeeze it in, push it on to where it's flush on the top here, flush there, and just snap it on. And now she's solid. So if you want to move this around, just unsnap the back, and you can move this wherever you want it in all these different positions, then push that back into place, and she's locked in. So if you want to look at your phone in a horizontal mount, you can do that. If you want to look at it in a vertical mount, you can do that. If you want it off into a 45-degree angle, you can do that. Or maybe you're the type of person that wants it over here, way off on the side. You can do that as well as tilted towards you. Very, very functional and well-designed phone mount. And just as a bonus, maybe you don't need the phone mount for your side, but on the passenger side, spouse, friend, partner, parent, they can literally look at their phone from this while it's just sitting here. They're going to watch something, do whatever they're going to do. You know, these things are so versatile. It doesn't matter if it's on the driver's side or on the passenger side. Definitely recommend this one. If for nothing else, the innovative squeeze on the display panel itself.